Hello, today we're starting a series of Oracle card reviews. These are some of my favorites, and which cards do you like to use the best? We're starting with Crystal Angels by Doreen Virtue. What I love the most about these, besides the colors, is you can use these to do more than just pick one, right? So we pick one. And let's just do a little bit of a test. So this one says opal. What does opal mean to you? Think of the stone or the gem. It has rainbows. What do rainbows signify? Yes, you can read the inscription or the message on the bottom of the card. Helps if you can see it. Let yourself sparkle and shine. So you are guided to be bold and show your bigger than life side to the world. Yes, you can absolutely use that to help you. You can also, and this is what I have taught my students in the past, to read cards, whether they're tarot cards or these kinds of cards, crystal angel cards. Look also at the colors. So here, sparkle and shine from your heart center. That doesn't mean that you are open to or opening yourself to allow people to step beyond your boundaries or anything like that. It is allowing you and your energy to shine more brightly. And you can even put yourself in a bubble of pink light to help repel and deflect any negativity or lower vibration, lower than your vibration energies that come your way. So the crown chakra is more open, okay? And you have blue. So think of this one, if you want to, a way to speak your truth. Now here's another one, and this is emerald. So green, abundance, prosperity, wealth expansion, higher vibration, tapping into, and then the wings here. You've got all this green and you've got blue green. So how is it you speak about your finances? Sure, you may not be where you want to be. I'm working towards that. And, being a bit transparent yeah, a bit transparent. The last year and a half have been a bit bumpy for me. So how do you think of your finances, your abundance? Do you see only what you don't have, or are you grateful for what you do have? Yes, it's not always easy to be grateful for what you do have when there are bills piling up or any of those things. So see this as green, raising your vibration, as well as the white. So spiritual protection, energy detox, and then you have, see, yellow for manifestation through your solar plexus, the orange for your relationship with yourself, your thoughts, your energy, and your manifestation into more of what you do want rather than focusing on what you don't want. In addition to that, we have the red, okay, so prosperity, passion, protection, root chakra to remain grounded. And then you have the pink for your heart chakra. Now, I'm not going to go through every single one, but just to give you an idea, look at all of the colors in this one. You have the heart center, and this is rose quartz. Should have known without even looking at it. Heart chakra, pinks, purples, some blue for your third eye. Here's the next one. This is Angelic, connecting with your angels. And look at all these beautiful colors. Come from your heart center. Clear your throat chakra. Put your cares, your concerns, your hurt, the emotional hurts and disappointments, the betrayals, all of those things, and even the good things into the hands of your guardian angels. Okay? So let's see, what else do we have? Oh, we have appetite. So what kind of appetite do you have for the path that you're on? Look at all of this blue. We've got indigos and some. So blue appetite is for manifestation as well as your throat chakra. Speaking clearly, even if it's just to yourself or writing in your journal what it is you do want while being grateful for what you do have. You can even say thank you for the healing from the last 8 months or the last year and a half without naming anything. So that is what, and then you've got some orange and a little bit of yellow and white. White to me signifies spiritual protection, energy detox. And then we have citrine. Look at all the rays coming out from your solar plexus. And then you've got the purple. Purple also symbolizes or can amethyst as well as your crown chakra. So also spiritual protection as well as raising your inner vibration. All right, let's do a couple others really quickly. Larimar, a beautiful blue-green. So speaking more, saying thank you for money in my account. Thank you for money in my bag, my purse, my wallet, my pocket. Thank you for money. Thank you for money in my life. Okay, let's just show you some more of these. Oh, look at that. And I don't know if you can see, there are actually 3 faces. Oh, watermelon tourmaline. So watermelon tourmaline, green, red or pink, purple, colors of the rainbow. Beautiful. Everything coming together and being aligned. And then this is sodalite, a very dark blue mineral, and in its natural state, it is kind of has like a white surface. So if you have a top polished piece of sodalite or an all polished palm stone or obelisk, it helps to represent the higher chakras, your higher throat, as well as connecting you to your higher self through self-expression. What are you saying to yourself when people aren't around? And this one, oh, Tanzanite. Tanzanite. Definitely for your third eye, as well as white for clearing your path, purple for tuning in and tapping in, tuning in. And then we have ruby, which I find interesting that the colors are all gold. Gold is one of the highest vibrations, even higher than violet. And then you have ruby in the center. So you have all of those kinds of things. Okay, so this is fluorite, balancing, manifestation, clear speaking, self-expression, communication, connection with yourself and what it is you want. Oh, diamond. Herkimer diamond. Look at all of that white, the blue. So this could signify if you're giving yourself a reading or you're giving someone else a reading, could signify the manifestation coming into physical form. Because once we have requested, focused on, or gotten an idea of what it is we do want, the universe does align with us, and so do our guides. The thing is, our conscious mind, past experiences, what other people say, if we share our deepest dreams, our most desires, our heart's desires with somebody else and they poo-poo it with their own junkalitis. I don't know about y'all, but I have enough of my own to deal with without somebody else's on top of mine. So the diamond thank you. Cut through the juncolitis, your own and everybody else's. Okay, let's see. Here's one for yellow jasper. Look at all the colors in there. What do these colors, what could they mean to you? And then we have unakite, which is the stone of protection. So you have health, wealth, and abundance. And then you have these concentric circles. So at the heart of everything, what are you really radiating and projecting out to other people? And we have, let's see, oh, moldavite. That's a really special one. See all the different colors? So the cards are more than just the messages at the bottom. Yes, they give you insights. So let me read the message on the bottom of moldavite. Unconventionality. That's a not easy one to say. Your unique qualities are an important part of your life purpose. It's okay to feel and be different from others. Okay, now that you know what the message is on the bottom of the card, and there's nothing wrong with it, it actually helps us to tune into more of the messages. So what juncolitis is trying to creep in, and yet you've got all these beautiful colors. Starting here at your heart center, you've got oranges and yellows and light greens. And these flowers can symbolize the blossoming of your desires. Okay, just do, okay, here's apophyllite. Can you get an idea of how amazing these cards are? And it's not just kyanite, blue kyanite. Connect with your divine source, your guardian angels, divine spirit, your higher self, and allow you to really explore to yourself, with yourself, more than just in your head, how or what your life could look like. I like writing it out because that helps me focus physical, mental, emotional, and energetic all at the same time. Tiger's eye. Okay, well, you get the idea. We've got some beautiful cards here. And this is sugilite. Violet red, an indigo blue. Oh, see this? Your cup runneth over, beautiful soul. If you like these cards, there is a link down below. And yes, I do earn a small commission from your order should you decide to get these crystals and angel oracle cards by Doreen Virtue. Have an amazing time, and I'll see you in the next one.